So the second passage of the essay writing is, so whenever you write the second passage, now you say the first key point to remember is that. For example, buying the brand name thing was, so the first key point was is that when we buy brand name things, it represents social status and higher standard of living. And then you write an example there. So whenever you write an example, you use the word for example, for instance, or in general. Or when you want to add on, then you use the words moreover, furthermore, or in addition. Or whenever you want to compare or contrast, so then you use the word in, you use the word on the other hand, or on the contrary, and however. Or whenever you want to conclude, so use the word in summary, in short, or in brief. So remember those. And also, so in the second passage, so you write, so the second most important point to keep in mind is that, and that was that when we buy the brand name things, so brand name things are good in quality and are durable. And then you give the example. For example, when I bought a Nike shoes 5 years before, and those shoes are still with me. And when I bought, whereas when I bought a no-name shoes, it only lasts 6 months. So you can give the comparisons. And the third one, and the third one you write is the third vital element which cannot be ignored is that whenever you buy a brand name things, you feel good. You take pride in that. For example, when you go to Starbucks, you buy a Starbucks coffee and you hold that Starbucks cup in your hand, and the kids and everybody feels so good. And then you concluded with, to sum up, I may say that one should not forget the importance of all the vital elements regarding buying a brand name things, which have been discussed in detail above. So basically you can use this one in any essay, and then you can end the essay with this: one should focus on. So 3 key things. Number 1, buying brand name things which you needed the most. Number 2, buying brand name things with the money which you have. So you don't spend the money what you don't have. So basically means staying within your budget. And then number 3, spending the money. A third thing you can say, not copying others. So basically, if you copy others and you are in debt, then you don't feel good. So you can end the essay with this note.